everyone, here's lesson 4, reading 1, Down the Drain. Getting ready. When you are done taking a bath or washing dishes in a sink, you let the water drain out. To do this, you take out or move a stopper. What if water could drain from a lake just like water drains from a tub? In Alaska, a lake does. It drains every year. As you read, compare what happens in a tub or sink to what happens in a lake. In class, which was really in the video from earlier this week, Miss G made models of landforms. Miss G sprayed water on the landform and watched how the water moved. You learned that one of the ways water moves is by flowing. Water flows from higher places to lower places, which is extremely important for you to know. It flows down mountains and creeks and streams and flows into large rivers. In this reading, you will learn what happens when something stops the flow of water. Pay attention to what happens to the land when the water stops flowing. A lake like a kitchen sink. When you remove the stopper from the sink or bathtub, the water soon disappears. Scientists have studied a lake in Alaska that does the same thing. Once a year, the entire lake disappears as the water drains away. In Alaska, glaciers often act as dams for many creeks and rivers. A glacier acts as a dam by blocking water from flowing into or out of a lake. Like the stopper in a kitchen sink or bathtub, the glacier keeps the water in one place. As the weather gets warmer in spring and summer, some of the glacier melts. The water runs into the creek. The water in the lake rises, making the lake over 300 feet deep. That's like a football field turned on its end. So imagine a football field turned sideways, so that's how deep it is. The depth of a football field. As scientists studied the lake, they found that when the lake drains, it doubles the flow of water in the river. It also moves huge amounts of silt along with it. The pressure from the flood of water and silt can be dangerous. One bridge that crosses the river is threatened every year. People have learned a lot about building better bridges, but at one time in history, the bridge was destroyed every year. And every year they built a new bridge. What is happening? Before you read the next section, make a prediction about how you think the water gets out of the lake. Write your ideas below, and then read the section to find out what really happens. So please stop the video here, answer and make your prediction, and then go to the next section. What causes the big drain? Scientists think it is possible that the lake gets so deep that part of the glacier actually floats. The floating glacier allows water to flow from the lake into channels that have been formed by the river on the other side of the glacier. Once the channels are open, the flowing water moves through and drains the lake. Once the water is gone, the glacier no longer floats. The weight of the glacier seals the channels again, and the water from the creek forms a lake all over again. So at the beginning of this reading, you thought about pulling the plug to drain water out of a bathtub. How does draining a bathtub compare with what happens when Hidden Creek Lake drains in the summer? Sorry, my tongue got a little twisted right there. So think about the glacier acting as a dam. Think about the bathtub plug acting as a dam. And answer number 2. All right, thanks guys. If you have questions, let me know.